Welcome back to the next video. So today we're going to get started on cleaning or straightening or figuring out where this stuff is going to go. I want these vehicles cleaned off. I want this back section cleaned off because the only thing I want up here is my toolbox that I know of right now, because I'm getting another toolbox to go across here to match that one. So be on the lookout for that. But we got to get the cleaning going. And with all that being said, I need to get these on because my knees are bad. And I'm about to go up and down some steps because all of this stuff here, except for that toolbox, like I said, is going in the basement. And any little essential things that I don't need up in here is going in the basement, because I do want to try to paint all of this here. I want lights up here, but that's a few videos away. So, and it's cold right now. Let me give y'all a glimpse of what's going on. You see that out there? Yeah. We have been struck. And it ain't gold that we done got hit with. So let me get these on and we're gonna get right to work. And I'm gonna put you in time lapse. Hey guys, I gotta take a break, man. My knee gave out on the way coming up the steps. Well, it gave out on the way going down, so yeah, I gotta take a break. Those tiles were heavy. Whew. I'll be back. I hope today, but maybe tomorrow. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I'm sick of this. I'm tired, y'all. I am done for today. But got the truck moved over a little bit. We have that stuff over there. we need to get up. We need to move downstairs. Except for my, my tools won't stay, but all those other old tools, they got to go downstairs. And that stuff is heavy, so I done burnt up my energy for the day. And over here, all of these boxes right here are for the Chevy pickup. So, yeah, we got to figure it out, man. Yep, we have to figure it out. All right, guys, so it's the next day's here. So we're gonna get back started. Let's clean this stuff up here, and let's see what we get to next. Let's go. Well, guys, this stuff we have here left. I know this is my welder, so don't worry about that. But all this little stuff here, back here, go to the trash. Same as that, goes to the trash. So now I'm gonna tell you, this thing here is heavy. And that's a generator, so that's gonna be a little heavy. Yeah. I don't know about that. I think this might have to be moved up there, but yeah. Bunch of old tools. Those are old tools. So instead of y'all keep watching me clean up, I'm gonna get this stuff up, and I'll bring y'all back and show y'all what kind of room we're gonna have in here. Well, guys, so I am done. Now, I didn't move this stuff over here. I just put it up real nice because I got to thinking, why am I gonna take this stuff downstairs when I can put this stuff in my toolbox when I get my toolbox? There's a lot of old tools here. I mean, when I say old, I mean very old tools. So I would like to keep those. All the stuff that's back there in the corner by that door, I don't know if you can see all the way back there. Yeah, you can. This stuff from here up to there, it's going to the shed. And I don't need to do that on camera, man. That's crazy. I don't need to do that on the camera, but let me show you though. As you can see here, I got enough room to get my toolbox. It's gonna be from here to here. Damn, you didn't even see that. So, say it again. My toolbox is gonna be from here to about here. And I can scoot this car over here this way some more, and we can see my welder there right there. My air compressor probably gonna go back up there somewhere. Get that out the way. I may even put my welder back up that way, but we still will have more room once I get all these old tools right here into my toolbox. So, yeah, paint this wall over here, you know, put my stuff back up here with the flags I had. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put my TV. Is it gonna be here or is it gonna be over there? You guys let me know. Should I do a TV here or there? Because I gotta do 2 space heaters so I can work in here in the wintertime. One over here, one over there, or put 2 back there. And one right over the door facing into the garage. You know. You guys let me know, man. Give me some feedback. Help a brother out. We are 811 subscribers as of right now as this video is being made. Some of you guys maybe don't got kicked off or whatever. My brother had to subscribe again. So you guys make sure, y'all check and make sure that you still are subscribed to the channel. If not, subscribe, man. Half of you guys is watching is not subscribed, so subscribe. That's gonna help the channel out. That's gonna help us get to that 1,000. We're there. We're almost there. So help us get to that 1,000, man, so we can start doing some things. You know what I mean? More revenue come in, the better we can do, man. So I got a couple of things in mind. You know, we're gonna get back on this. We're gonna get back on that. Maybe we're gonna get these finished before we try to step to a new project. I hope. Right now, I'm just getting my parts together and stuff like that so that we can get back busy. So, with all that being said, welcome to the new BSG Garage. We're gonna catch y'all on the next video. Peace.